We're heading to Daytona Speedway. We're meeting up with the motor company. We're gonna take some 25s out, play around a little bit, and give you guys some honest feedback on a few different models. I was told that pretty much there's all the models there we can hop on and ride, so we're gonna have some fun. Let's do it. What's up, guys? We are at Daytona Speedway and we're about to head over to the HD booth, get on some 25s, go out and ride, record some video for you guys, give you guys some honest feedback on these new models, and yeah, have some fun. All right, we getting checked in over here. I'm not sure exactly what bike yet I'm getting. But this thing is gonna be fun. This is the 1250 ST Pan America. Tons of power, 151 horse. We're gonna go out and have some fun. So Pan Am's not usually my jam, but when I tell you 151 horse, these things are torquey, little fun. I need to figure out where to turn around at. We're just driving around. But they're fun. That's the fun part about motorcycles, is that even if it's not your necessary style, trying something out new, trying something different, you might find something you like more. You never know. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Beep, beep. It's weird to be on a bike that doesn't make a lot of noise. Let's go rip a little bit on this thing. So first thing, torque monster. I feel like we're on a crotch rocket, don't you? There's a whole different feel than that road glide, but it's cool. And I'll tell you right now, this seat is comfortable. I believe it's gel too. And look at this, guys. I'm almost flat footing this thing. Yes, my wife's on it, but I think they got the seat down for me. This thing sets nice and low. Controls on these things are nice. You know, of course you got your Brembo setup here with your reservoir, but you got your ride modes. Of course I'm gonna keep it in sport mode. Controls for your music, if you hook up Bluetooth, which I haven't done yet, probably will. You got traction control, voice command, all your directional things here to go through your screen. So I won't do that right now because we're obviously on the road, but nah, this is a cool bike. If you're somewhere where you can get out and go get off-road a little bit, play around. I mean, even I know people that tour on these bikes and they dig it. So yeah, this is gonna be a fun experience. Oh, it's beautiful out here. This is our first time down in Daytona for Bike Week. We've been down here for like vacations, but not for Bike Week. So this is a really cool experience. And shout out to the motor company for letting me take this thing. Told me I could keep it as long as I want while I'm here, but I don't want to leave the road glide at the track all day and night. So if I had to bring this back, go back tomorrow, meet Matt, who I'm excited to meet. He's my contact at the motor company. Unfortunately, he just landed in Orlando, so I wasn't able to meet him today, but maybe when we bring the bike back, we'll be back. And I want to see if I can get a CVO ST maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know. We'll see. Nimble, light, smooth. These Revolution Max engines I mean, it's a game changer. I know that everybody's having a hard time getting used to the sound of them and whatnot, but the power you get out of these things and the torque you get out of these things are awesome. I mean, you grab the throttle and it's there. So foot controls for me, these are back a little farther than I'm used to, obviously. I like mid control, or like I got floorboards on the road glide, but this isn't bad. It's not bad. Just have something you have to get used to. What's up, Mr. Freewheeler? Got that sneaky Vinium. Inside joke. Oh, and I don't know where I'm at. We're just gonna get lost. We're gonna figure it out. Turn signal. Obviously, being a Harley, I'm used to having a right and a left. I know some of the obviously Rev Max platforms, you know, RH, RA, are gonna have it over here. So that's one thing that you're gonna have to get used to if you do switch over to riding some with these kind of controls. But again, it's just muscle memory. Doing it, you'll get used to it. Hey, cigars. We're gonna have to go back there. Alright, so we took this thing, rode around South Daytona, back up front here, and so far, guys, it's cool. You know, it's obviously a lot different than what I'm used to. Gotta get used to the rear controls, or whatever you call them, turn signals, and seating position's not bad. You like the back seat? Nice and squishy, except for no backrest, just set our arms hurt. You got old poop handles here. But all in all, guys, this thing's a lot of fun. It's got a ton of power, and it handles really good. So we're gonna go over here to Landshark, have us some food, and then yeah, so we'll go from there. We're gonna ride this thing back to the Speedway, get the road glide, and then we're going to head out to Destination Daytona, see some folks out there, have some fun. But yeah, this bike's fun. Got everything hooked up off the HD app. You got full navigation. If you've never been down Daytona for bike week, guys, you gotta go. This is a good time. God, this thing's so nimble. All right, let's turn this bad baby in. Final thoughts. This bike is a lot of fun. I get to the point where money's not really, oh, it's a red light. Money's not really a thing. I'd buy one. The real cool part about, I mean, the bike week, everyone just assumes everything's Harley. There's shadows, there's boulevards, there's crotch rockets, there's supermotos, there's ADVs, there's gold wings, there's everything. It's really cool. We are back to the Speedway, got this thing turned back in. This thing is a lot of fun. The 1250S motor, I mean, that ton of power, 151 horse, inverted front end, dual disc, and you got radial mounted Brembos. And one of the cool parts is, look down here. Yeah, it's just really nice, real smooth, a lot of fun to ride. If you're interested in like something that you can get on and rip around on, this will eat up sport bikes. I mean, not every sport bike, but a lot of sport bikes. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that follow button, hit that subscribe button. I got a lot more motorcycle content coming. Take it easy, guys.